For today's lesson, we're going to talk about adding polynomials. But before we proceed to our exercises, you should be familiar first with these two terms. So first we have here like terms. So these are the terms that are exactly alike except for their numerical coefficients. So we have here an example. So we have here 3x and 7x. So as you can see, meron tayong same variable. We have x. So like term siya. So therefore, pwede nating i-add yung ganyan. Kahit magkaiba pa yung ating numerical coefficient or yung number in front of our variable. And we have also 4 and -5. So as you can see, we have only a number or what we call constant. So we can also add this one since they are like terms. And we have 2x squared y cubed and 9x squared y cubed. So as you can see, magkaparehas yung exponent nila. And at the same time, yung base nila. So we can combine that one. And we have also here unlike terms. So these are the terms that differ by at least one variable. So we have here example. So 4x and 2y. So as you can see, we have different variable. So in that case, we cannot add that one. And we have also here -3 and 6y. So we have a constant and then a number na may variable. So we cannot add that one. And also 2x and x cubed. So as you can see, we have a variable with different exponent. So dito meron lang tayo ditong x and then dito naman ay x cubed. And then last, we have 9x squared y raised to 4 and 5x cubed y squared. So also, we have same base but different or magkaiba yung ating exponents. So we cannot add that one. Okay? Okay, so let's now proceed to our exercises. So number 1, we have here x plus 3x. So magfo-focus tayo sa mga variable, sa mga every term. So as you can see, we have the same variable. So that means we can add this one. So x plus 3x. So kapag wala kayong nakikita nga number in front of the variable, so ibig sabihin yan ay may invisible one sa harap niya. Okay? So that is the same as 1x plus 3x. So that is equal to 4x. And then for number 2, we have here 3x plus 4 plus 7x minus 8. So we can write this one as 3x plus 4. So tatanggalin lang natin yung parenthesis plus 7x minus 8. And then pagtabihin natin yung like terms. So our like terms here is C3x and then C7x. So that is 3x plus 7x. And then yung constant natin, si positive 4 and then si negative 8. So plus 4 minus 8. So now we can combine like terms. So 3x plus 7x, so that is 10x. And then 4 minus 8, so that is negative 4. So make sure na alam nyo na yung pag-add and subtract ng integers. So therefore, ito na ang ating final answer. And then for number 3, we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 9 plus negative 3x plus 4. So let's remove the parentheses first. So we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 9 plus negative 3x, or just simply negative 3x plus 4. So first, kopyahin natin si 3x squared since wala siyang similar term. Now we have 5x and negative 3x. So that is plus 5x minus 3x. And then c negative 9 and then c positive 4. So we have minus 9 plus 4. So now we can combine like terms. So kopyahin natin si 3x squared. So 5x minus 3x, so that is positive 2x. And then negative 9 plus 4, negative 9 plus 4, so that is negative 5. So ito na ang ating final answer. And for number 4, so that is 4x plus 3x plus 6 plus 6x plus 3x minus 7. So we have here 4x, 3x, and then c 6x, and then meron pa si 3x. So that is our like terms. So that is 4x plus 3x plus 6x plus 3x. And then we have also 6 and then c negative 7. So plus 6 minus 7. So now we can combine like terms. So we have 4 plus 3, so that is 7 plus 6, so that is 13. And then 13 plus 3, so we have 16x. And then we have also 6 minus 7, so that is negative 1. So we have 16x minus 1 as our answer. Then for number 5, okay, so first we need to remove the parentheses para mas madaling makita yung mga similar terms or like terms. Okay, so yung similar terms natin dito is c 4a squared b and then c negative 2a squared b. And then we have also negative 4ab and then c negative 3ab. And then yung two terms natin dito, so wala silang similar terms. So ang gagawin natin dyan is kopyahin lang natin. And then i-add natin yung similar terms. So we have negative 4 minus 3, so that is negative 7. So that is negative 7ab. And then 4 plus negative 2, so we have positive 2. So that is plus 2a squared b. So therefore, ito na ang ating final answer. Then for number 6, so alisin natin yung parentheses. Okay, so yung similar terms natin dito, so we have here 10x squared y and then si negative 5x squared y. And then also si negative 6x squared and then si 3x squared. So yung natira, so hindi sila or wala silang similar terms. So now we can add our similar terms. So we have here 10 plus negative 5. So that is positive 5. So we have 5 or 5x squared y. And then we have also negative 6 plus 3. So we have negative 3. Negative 3x squared. And then, i-copy natin yung mga natira na walang similar terms. So, kahit magkapalit pa yan, so we can write that as 3xy minus 3xy squared. So, ito na ang ating final answer. Okay, so for number 7, so we have here negative 15x y raised to the 5th power plus 5y raised to the 5th power times x. So as you can see, nagkapalit yung ating mga variable. But still, same yung exponent nila. Or you can write this also as negative 15xy raised to the 5th power plus 5xy raised to the 5th power. So kapag may nakita kayong ganyan, pwede niyong isulat siya as ganyan. So as you can see, we have a like terms. So pwede na nating i-add to. So negative 15 plus 5. So we have here negative 10 xy raised to the 5th power. Okay, so I have here an exercises for you for more practice. So itry nyo siyang sagutan. So just pause the video and after 10 seconds ay lalabas yung sagot. Okay? So just pause the video. So yan lang sa ating video ngayon. So I hope you learned something and thanks for watching.